Hey y'all, welcome back to Taylor GCV. If y'all ain't watching me, then what y'all doing? Period. Y'all, I look like a mess right now, but don't worry because I'm about to get myself together, okay? I'm gonna get myself together or whatever like that. But if y'all don't know, now y'all know, baby, it is Virgo season, okay? And some of the most important people in my life are Virgos. Like, I don't know, they're very extra, they're dramatic, they're spoiled. Like, I could go on and on about Virgos, but I love them to pieces. My niece is a Virgo. One of my nieces, Denver, she's a Virgo. My friend Keontae, she's a Virgo. My sister is a Virgo. My other sister, Bayan, is a Virgo, baby. It's just a lot, and their birthdays back to back. But anyway, yeah, it's lit tonight. It's Friday. I ain't got no job. And I ain't got shit to do.
Cause it's Friday, you ain't got no job, and you ain't got shit to do.
I'm just playing, y'all. It's Friday, and it starts a national holiday, as my sister would say, baby. It's her birthday weekend. And as y'all can tell by the title, this is Get Ready With Me plus FREAKNIK / 2000s baby party, okay? My sister having a party tonight. It's lit, it's up, and it's stuck.
Yeah, not a wife, yeah. Ass up, mass up.
Really look a mess right now, but don't worry, because when I get myself together, I'm gonna get myself together, and that's that on it. So the party gonna be lit.
I'm about to show my ass.
So before we get into this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell because these videos are coming back to back. Alright, y'all, so the party is gonna be lit, baby. It's gonna be at a club. My sister got a section, my cousins popping out, my mama popping out, my family popping out. It's gonna be lit, and guess who hosting it? Not me, y'all, not me. Key Carol hosting it. If y'all know, if y'all from New Orleans, or if y'all are on TikTok and y'all seen a video of Key Carol,
Bitch, I got the remote.
yes, y'all, that's Key Carol. He is a whole vibe, and he gonna have it lit, okay? I'm giving very much Foxy Brown tonight, so don't play with her, don't play with me, you know. So it's gonna be lit. Y'all know I have some errands to run, some things to do. Y'all just coming with me. I gotta get myself together. So let me get myself together, and we gonna roll out. Alright, y'all, so I'm in the car, and I'm about to just go get my eyebrows done, and then I gotta go to the hair store to get some lashes. Well, I was gonna get my makeup done, but my makeup artist, she works and she gets off late today, and I didn't want her time to conflict with my time because it takes me all day to get ready. You know, I gotta get a nap and all that good stuff. So I'm just gonna get my eyebrows done, get some lashes, some eyeliner, and mascara, and call it a day, and I'm out the door. Like, I'm still gonna look cute, you know, face card still valid, period. I'm so illiterate when it comes to lashes. Like, all these look the same. Like, I don't know, but I'm gonna figure it out for real. So I'm back inside from the nail shop and the beauty supply store. Y'all see me go all in places or whatever. I just got out the tub, so that's done. It's like 5 or 6 now. I really got 2 hours, maybe 3 to get ready, but really 2. But let me show y'all what I got. So y'all, look at these lashes I got. Like I said, I'm very illiterate when it comes to lashes because all of them either look the same or some of them just look too dramatic. Like, it's just really giving I don't know, or oh my gosh, what the F is that? Like, that's what they really be giving to me. So I really don't know, but I found this girl on YouTube. She did like a try on haul with lashes, and I really like these. These are called the eye Envy Remy 3D Invisible Band Remy lashes, okay? I knew it was a goal because when she said Remy, I'm okay, I know that's type of hair. Like, see, I know about pet hair and bundles and wigs. Like, that's what it's giving. Of course, I got some lip gloss. So, my lip gloss could be popping. My lip gloss is cool. All the boys be jacking. They chase me after school. Like, you know, it's really giving. So, I really wanted to find, like, the bubblegum pink lip gloss, but I couldn't find it. And I got some eyeliner to, you know, make up my eyes a little bit. You know, since it's a 90's party, of course I had to get the 90's chain. You know, gotta come through for the 99 and the 2000s, okay? Of course but I was born in 99, so y'all know I gotta come through for the 99 and the 2000s, girls and guys. So that's what I got. Now I'm about to do my hair because I need a nap before I go, because one thing about me, I'm gonna take a nap, and that's what it's giving. So I'm just about to hurry up and do it. Yo, I swear doing baby hairs is the hardest part of y'all inspo. Y'all seen that video with Alonzo whenever he was trying to do his baby hairs? Yo, like, that's really how I be feeling, because why baby hairs gotta be so hard? Like, I'm not understanding. I think I got it. Alright, now I just gotta go over my hair. I really want to do crimps, but I don't have time to really curl my hair, so I might just go over it with a flat iron. I think I'm gonna just leave it straight. I don't know, y'all. Giving up. I gotta hurry up. I'm so late and so behind, so that's me. I'm gonna just let my hair do what it do, and we gonna roll. And yo, I have to use a brush. I know when y'all be flat ironing your hair, y'all like to chase the flat iron with a comb, but I don't know what my red tail comb is, so this brush gonna have to do business. Okay, mind y'all business.
Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it over. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out switching sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the op, we gotta slow. Ride around with Drake, like we LVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got a pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in the figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rapping too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in him in some bitch boat. They look great, this nigga start getting low. I spent time on the rats on the Lambo and didn't even know how to meet them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna look the dough. Barely fit, but don't play with me.
In an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, died and they died. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by.
And I'm like, yeah, everybody, I can't trust nobody. I don't even reach your party. Don't invite me to no party, bitch. In that, it's so, yeah, how I get that,
Hey, coma hanging on my neck. The bracelet matches a set. My brother name is $10. Stop all that back and forth over the net. My mama wish I would've went corporate. She wish I would've went exec. I still turn to a CEO, so the lifestyle she respect. Hey, 2 sprints to Quebec. Cherie, où est mon bec? They only giving niggas +1, so I never pull up to the Met. You know I gotta bring the set. You know I gotta.
don't even want to do it. If I want something, man, I'm going to say that.
Alright, so I put my lashes on, y'all. I did a pretty good job to say I don't know how to put no lashes on. I watched this YouTube video, this girl YouTube video on how to apply lashes, and I think I did a pretty good job, yo. So this is my outfit. This denim short set. This is the bralette, and these the shorts. Yo, I have some denim Converse. I don't know if I'm gonna wear the denim. I'm gonna show y'all. Hold on. I should wear my G-Nikes, my GD Weedies, or whatever they be calling them, my G-Nikes, but these be tearing my feet up. I just don't think y'all understand how bad my feet be hurting in them, but it's giving. And on my jean Converse, I wore these one time, and that was to my friend baby shower, and they got my initial on the side. My mama ordered them for me, so I don't know, but I'm just about to lotion up. Well, no, I'm just about to get dressed, and I'm gonna come back, and yeah. All right, y'all, so let me show y'all the fit. I gotta stand on my tippy toes, y'all. This is the fit. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Y'all know I gotta do a twerk check. Twerk check. Yeah, but she's giving, like, she's really bad. Okay, alright. You look so cute. I told y'all she was extra. Miss Virgo. Alright, I'm fully dressed. Ooh. Let me see. I don't think y'all can be able to see my shoe. Let me see. Can I put it up here? Let me see. Y'all on top of the refrigerator. Y'all buy the cereals and all that. No, I don't think y'all can be able to see this way either. Ooh. Ooh. I don't know. Y'all can't see. Let me see. Ooh. Let me see. I'm trying to put y'all on my so y'all can see the whole fit. Alright, yeah, that's the fit. She's good. Ooh. Right. We're gonna be dancing at the party. Y'all heard us. See how they be doing. Been dancing back in the day. Yo, I'm definitely giving Foxy Brown, because Foxy Brown had a jean outfit like this, kind of like that. So that's where I got the inspiration from. And Kim Marie also. But I been got this, y'all. I got this outfit from Shein, and I showed it in my Shein haul, which is gonna be somewhere on the screen. So y'all better tune in and catch up on my videos to catch this drip. But yeah, my sister looks so pretty. That's Miss Extra, so she don't play about her birthday for real. So she's coming through. Just know it's lit. It's 8:30. The party started for 9, but gotta go somewhere, drop my little niece off, and it's just giving. Got my chain on. It's cute, but I guess I'ma let y'all know when we on our way to the party or something like that. Okay, y'all, so we made it. Hey, Lee. Okay, she's ready. Okay, 90's baby, don't play with her. Period. Let me check out the socks. Okay. Fit check. Okay, shoes. Okay. Look at you.
Shawty rock to the beat for your boy. Shawty rock to the beat for your boy. Shawty, yeah, do it, yeah. Rock to the beat for your boy. Radio killer. Shawty clap it, shawty tight it. Should skate it all night it. With you, I missed you, head picture. Now it's time I get back up with you, girl, with you. Oh yeah, we used to kick it up at the park, but now she's all grown up. Rockin' them stilettos, jumping up out of that Mercedes. Ooh, it was Keisha, it was Sonya, it was only.
Yo, so it's currently 3 o'clock in the morning. I think it's like 3:10. The party was lit. The party was nice. I'll be able to explain more and go into detail. And then we went to this club called Bertha's, and I'm lit. Okay, I'm not lit. I'm not too lit, but I'm lit, and my legs and my feet are burning. They hurt so bad in these G-Nikes, y'all. My sister is like drunk, and we're trying to find something to eat. So or in the French Quarter. It's like really not really nobody out here. But yeah, I'm really tired. I don't know what time I'm gonna wake up in the morning, but I'm tired and my legs and my feet are like, I'm tired. I'm ready to go inside for real. There's really nobody out here, y'all, at all. No. She's drunk. It's empty. She can't even walk straight. Yo, I look a mess. Like, I look a hot mess. But when I tell you we had a time last night, we had a time. You hear me? I had so much fun. Like, my sister, like I said, she don't play when it comes to her birthday. Like, she looked at so pretty. Like, she was giving 90. She had the cute half up, half down style. Her face was like neon colors. Shoes airbrushed, socks airbrushed, outfit airbrushed. Like, she had the Virgo chain, the Virgo necklace. Like, the section kept bringing us shots. We had food, we had drinks on top of drinks, bottles, Hennessy. Like, it was lit. Okay, and after that, you know, we went to Bertha's. We went to this little club. Then we we ate somewhere in the French Quarter, y'all. I didn't get inside till 5. And when I got inside, I came in the bed and passed out. Like, I was so wore out. My feet, them G-Nights tore my feet up. Like, my feet was hurting, my thighs was hurting, my legs was hurting, my calves, my shin. Like, it was everything else. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell because these videos are coming back to back.